In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted contacts on iPhone without computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing your contacts and recovering them is a simple process. I'm going to show you some easy to follow methods to help you recover any contact that you lost on an iPhone. So first, begin by opening up your contacts. And if you notice that they are missing, to recover them, go over to your Apple account. So access the settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the settings screen, and on your Apple account, go to iCloud. The very first place that you should look into is the iCloud category. When you go into iCloud, you can see the data that has been saved into iCloud, and one of these options should be your contacts. So on this list of everything that has been saved into iCloud, look for contacts. If you find contacts, then all that you have to do is tap on it, and this will give you the toggle to turn it on or off. What you want to do is turn it off. So turn it off and this message will appear. What would you like to do with the previously synced iCloud contacts on your iPhone? All that you have to do is choose the option to keep on my iPhone, so all of the contacts that you already have will stay. Now, what you do is you turn the iCloud synchronization back on. When you turn it back on, the message will change. What would you like to do with the existing local contacts on your iPhone? And all that you have to do here is choose merge. This will grab the contacts that have been backed up into iCloud and merge them into the contacts that you already have on your iPhone. So it is essentially going to recover any contacts that you deleted from the iPhone, but they might still be backed up in iCloud. So it's as simple as merging them. Now, the second method is going to be reliant on Google Contacts. So open a web browser, go to contacts.google.com, and by accessing this page, sometimes you can find contacts that have been synced to your Google account. If you find a specific contact, just tap on that person to see all of the details, tap the three dots, and then export the contact. You will now be able to import it into your iPhone, or you can copy all of the details manually and import them yourself. I hope I was able to help you on how to recover deleted contacts on iPhone without computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.